After we had our breakfast, we're now going to the first plant.
Now we're going to Ho Cheng Philippines Corporation. And we're here.
Hello? Hello? May tao. Papabook sana tayo ng hotel kaso wala pang tao. Ito may tao na. Ay, miss, magkano pong rates dito? Ay, hindi to hotel. Sorry. Hindi pala to hotel. Ito ang ginagawa mo kapag Makati ang iyong ilong.
Ho Cheng.
Here at Ho Cheng, I can live. We can live here! Wala. Here at Ho Cheng, I can live here.
Lunch on our way. Right now we're at Yakult Philippines Incorporated.
It's so cute because when we arrived here at their conference area, they gave us already one bottle of milk.
Okay, so what's the reason behind the small bottle of Yakult? Question, ilang lako ba sila yung laman nito? 8 billion. 8 billion dahil lako ba si Luz Cassim, Slim Shirota is enough.
Pero sa iba, ang 8 billion ay hindi pa enough. Humahanap pa sila ng iba. If you don't want to drink Yakult, you can also use it as lotion, shampoo, perfume, moisturizer. Joke lang, they really have cosmetic products. So.
Yakult plant is really clean, guys. Sobrang ganda, sobrang linis na facilities nila.
Oh, this is my neighbor. He's so kind, like he would give free anti-rabies vaccine. Manong Louie, miss na kita.
Sa process plant nila, bawal na ang pictures or camera. So now we're going to have our plant tour inside. So secret lang dapat hindi makita ang nangyayari inside ng plant. I'm with Mom.
Rest and rest.
Yes, hi Mom Res. We're done. We're here inside the plant. Hi Mom. Ay, okay na din. Bye, Mom Res. Hi po. Gano'n po kayo katagal dito? 6 years. So, after Yakult, now we're going to Mall of Asia. To Hong Kong. Aray. Ang ganda. Miss, pwede ni kapalet? Miss, tagfila? Hi! Hello sir, sorry. Ang ticket mo po, hindi na pwedeng i-rebook. Hindi na po namin alam kung saan kami. Grabe talaga, ginudge ako kanina ng babae. Sabi niya, Ilonggo ka sir? Sabi ko, paano mo nalaman na Ilonggo ako?
Wala, GX.
Siguro sa paglalakad ko. Ang mukha ko hindi makinig. Dapat ito ay Tino. Ha. Hindi siya tuli. Isa siyang Tison. Maraming haters, maraming paligo. Hindi dito pumupunta ang mga taong pinaglalaro. Sa Toy Kingdom. Ding 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 ding. Uy, ba't ang seryoso nyo? Dapat Vero muda.
Opposite ang hindi sila sa seryoso.
Uy, ba't ang seryoso nyo? Dapat
Pero muda.
seryoso. Ang babae kanina nag-aanyong sa'yo sa akin. Meron kami hinahanap. Nandito daw forever ko. 1, 2, 3, go! Tulong mo na. So cold outside. So I will end the vlog. Here. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, and see you on my next video. In plus. So we were scolded a while ago.
First a confession. With you, I feel a connection. With you, it's like an infection. I've been infected with an obsession. With you, never any tension. Nothing but love and affection. Enough of my case, so let's cut to the chase. Listen up, cause these are the directions. Obey what I say, don't complain, I don't wanna hear questions. Follow my lead, time to fall to your knees. It's an order, it's not a suggestion. I'm about to teach you a lesson. I recommend